Hi everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. I wanted to start off this vlog by just showing you guys the supplements that I've started taking now that I'm back in the gym, because when we were like in heavy lockdown and gym wasn't open, I didn't need to take those supplements, but now I do. So I thought it would be good for me to just show you guys what I take and like explain when I take them, and then we'll go into the workout, and I also have the easiest recipe for you. It's ridiculous, honestly. But let's start with the supplements. So you guys already know that I take keto cuts, but one thing that I've done now, or one thing that I have adjusted, is I take it now just before I go to the gym. So probably like 30 minutes before I go to the gym. I don't know if it's placebo or what, but it's doing something. And I feel like because I know before I go to the gym, I haven't eaten in a while, and this is better taken in an empty stomach. So I don't know, it's I feel like it works better just before you go to the gym. The next one that I have started taking, and this was something that I saw Elias Face taking, which is apple cider vinegar tablets. So I used to drink the actual apple cider vinegar and just mix it with lemon juice, but that's unsustainable. So I started taking this. You take it before meal, and you only take twice a day. I haven't really noticed a difference, or maybe it's just a combination of everything, is why I'm feeling like I'm progressing. But this alone, I can't say I've noticed a difference on this alone. Um, but yeah, I'm still taking it. And then onto more of like the traditional types powder supplements. So this is Keto Burn, and this is basically what I would use as coffee. So as you're working throughout the day, you have like maybe 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. Oh, not at night, like like towards the end of the afternoon. um I would make 1 serving of this, and that's probably like a liter, and just drink that throughout the day, because there is some caffeine in here. I think there is some caffeine in here. But yeah, it just gives me extra ketones throughout the day, which is great. And then this I can't live without. I When I go to the gym, I don't just take water with me, I always take BCAAs. And so me finding BCAAs that were keto friendly was key. Okay. And this one I love it because, okay, NPL in general, their BCAAs are the best for me because of the ratio. So you'll see it says 10-1-1. That is I can't remember which one is the 10, but it's the most important one of the different amino acids that you could get, and it's higher, like the ratio is higher of that one. Other ones you'd find like 3-1-1 or 3-2-1, but this one, it's like extreme in the best way. So love this. And this is with the normal range. So now that they've actually added a keto version, I'm so happy. And yeah, like it's just BCAAs. I know if I don't take BCAAs, halfway through my workout, I'm yawning. Like everywhere I go, I'll be yawning. And before I started taking BCAAs, I just thought, oh no, you're just working out so hard. It's probably why. Or I would think, oh no, you're too tired, you need to go. But actually, no, I'm not too tired. I just need a boost, and I can actually like carry on. So if you one of the yawners, try BCAAs. They're really, really good. And then just a protein supplement in general is this one, the Keto Whey. and this flavor is vanilla donut. The flavor is pretty good, but I don't like it with almond milk. I don't drink it with water. Like, what's the point? I don't understand. I don't understand how people drink protein shakes with water. I prefer it with like lactose free milk. Very specific, but lactose free milk is the one. But yeah, I take this if I'm hungry and I know I'm going to the gym within an hour and a half. I'll drink this instead, or I'll drink it afterwards. But yeah, it's really good. It's really, really good, and especially if it's cold, I really enjoy it. But yeah, so those are the supplements that I take now, and they seem to just, fit really well into my routine. Everything has a purpose. Like, I'm not just taking it because, you know, I mean, apart from the apple cider vinegar, I need to stop taking it just to see what I lose so that I know that I want to carry on. But yeah, they all fit in really well. Long-term staples for me, definitely. Um, and if you're looking for keto supplements, keto friendly supplements, I highly suggest the NPL range. But let me get into this video. I will be showing you some exercises from machines, yay, and I have it's like a burger recipe, but it's not. It's like I have a hard time calling it a recipe because it's so easy, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So for today, the meal we'll be making is a bunless burger. This is very easy to make, and as you can see, there are very few ingredients. There's lettuce, raw onion, cheese, a burger patty, and sriracha mayo. If you don't like sriracha mayo, you can always put something else, but for me it makes the meal. So we're going to start off with frying the patty. You want your pan to be a bit on the warm side because you do want a bit of a crust on the burger. And then in terms of the lettuce, I'm just preparing it and just putting it on the plate. Put enough of it to be able to encapsulate the burger. If you have big leaves, that's great. Unfortunately, I didn't, so I had to use a lot of leaves just to make like the bottom half of the bun. Then to that we add the raw onions. I love raw onions. I know it's an acquired taste for some people, so you can put some cooked onions, but that is just gonna make your recipe a lot more complicated. But yeah, it's up to you. And then on top of that we put the sriracha mayo. So we're gonna put it now. You can put it later on, which I choose to do, but if you don't want to, choose another sauce. So then now we onto the other side of the burger, and this is when we add the cheese. And I like to do this because I want the cheese to actually be melted. You can add a lid to help melt the cheese. I don't. Getting your cheese to this point when it's melted is probably as much time as you need on the other side of the burger. Then I just transfer it on top of the onions and the sriracha sauce. And then at this point, I'm going to add more sriracha sauce on top. Again, completely optional. And then it's time for the top half of the bun, which again, just lettuce. Hopefully you guys will find big leaves, because then, you know, it feels more of an event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.